gonna get you, I promise. Daddy had one the last time, I just lost it.
No, don't go that boat. How do we get him on the boat?
Watch your line, Rod. Or Ryan.
This guy's big enough.
Nice one, buddy. Nice one. That's a good one.
Dandy.
How big is he? 23?
Whoa, buddy, chill. I'm eating. From head, he's about a 22 incher.
Yeah, that's what I figured. 22, 23.
Well, that guy seems a bit bigger.
Yeah, he's bigger.
Go.
Yeah, that's bigger. Nice job, bro.
Watch that hook.
Oh, no, bring him over here. Drop him down here in the bottom of the boat. Perfect.
All on your own. Nobody helped, right? Good one. Good job. All by yourself. All right, put him in. Good job, bud. Slow down, Graham. Slow down, Graham. Oops, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
Get in it.
Over here, Graham.
Is he an eater?
Sure looks like it.
Yeah, but we don't need two. We only need one.
Yeah, we do.
We do?
That's a lot of meat. That's good meat. Then we can all eat. Mommy can have redfish too. Don't lose them.
Graham, what is that one bigger? Might be.
Get the red pliers. Right here, buddy. Reel. Hang on. No, not go slower. Go slower. Go slower.
Keep the rod tip up.
All right, there we go. Good. Reel him in. Go.
Graham, I want you to do the net. Keep the rod tip up. Take your time. It's not a sprint here.
We're gonna release this one. Unless he's bigger.
Good job.
Open the
boy.
bill, Co.
Open the bill.
Graham, you're pushing me into the water.
Here, I'll take it, Co. Oh,
Stick the hook.
See what?
you happy?
Good catch.
Good job, bud.
This guy's stronger than me.
That silver dollar was working, wasn't it? Rod tip up. Keep that tip up.
Force them, reel them in.
What you got, Cohen? What you got?
Redfish.
Is your brother going to help you? Rod tip up. Other way. Get him going the other way. Get him going the other way. Okay, good.
Oh.
There's Sir Trips a lot.
Wait, I think this guy is bigger than all the other ones. I think we might throw away one of our other ones for this guy.
No. Come on, put him in.
Get him in. Go. Oh.
That's a good way to probably end the day, right? Open.
Okay, let me get my sleeves on. I'm wondering like he's a baby.
Was it a good day?
Push your mouth towards me. In front of you. Push away from your body. Away from your body.